hindi po mawala yung problema, trial sa buhay natin. That seems the beginning that you are losing ground. Sa umpisa ba, parang natalo tayo? Dahil bakit? Nag-experience tayo ng trials. Diba? Diba? Panginoon, parang talo, parang yung experience that losing ground. Bakit may karamdaman ako, Lord? Bakit binigyan mo ako ng karamdaman? Bakit may karamdaman yung beloved ko? May karamdaman yung anak ko? Bakit may problema kami? Bakit naghirap kami? Hallelujah. It seems that at the beginning, that you are feel that you are losing ground. But the Bible, that sabi dito ng author, but don't give up. But don't give up. For God is in your side. Huwag kang mag-give up. Huwag mo sarindi.